memorable experience?
Since for my most memorable experience, since Craving is my first job in Metro Manila, so when I got hired and I was part of Craving's group, that was um, the most delighting part of my career. So it was one of the most memorable experience.
Most important lesson that you have learned during your stay here at Craving?
Okay. One important lesson is really to be with um, your team and being with them, knowing their strengths and weaknesses, and that's how we deal with each other's differences, and that's where we base our solutions to each of our challenges in the outlet.
People who influence your life?
People, so marami. So, well, basically, it's the team. It's my Fraser Place team. Cravings Fraser team. That's the number one influential people. Number two is actually Ma'am Annie, the owner of Cravings, because it's my first time to hear somebody who's very passionate on saving the earth, saving the environment. So, it made me realize na it's not just plainly working just because you wanted to get your salary at the end of the month, or working because you are um, just because you need a career. It's not plain. It has to be within yourself that while you work, you're saving something, and that's actually our the place where we stay, and it's the earth. So it's what Ma'am Annie is one of the most influential people in my life.
Thank you, ma'am.